In this episode of the series, we will talk about another vicious form of cyber fraud, honey trapping. What is honey trapping? Honey trapping is a method where fraudsters target specific people, mostly older men, through WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram, pretending to be young and often attractive women. Through this impersonation, they influence their targets into performing some lewd acts on video calls and record them doing so for blackmailing later on. They may also ask them to make considerable investments in some shady companies with a promise of huge returns. More often than not, the companies don't exist, and once the money is out of the victim's hands, the contacts also disappear. Another thing to be noted is that with the emergence of the COVID-19 pandemic and a subsequent increase in the loneliness of individuals, the targets for these fraudsters have also increased. There are several reports of the same happening in India every day. Groups have been seen operating from Kolkata, Rajasthan, Mumbai, etc., with victims all across India. A report from Himachal Pradesh stated that 55 cases of cybercrime through the honey trapping method happened in the first 2 months of this year alone. As seen in many cases of cybercrime of this nature, the victims were affluent older men, with 80% of them paying the ransom amount demanded. 97% of them didn't even file complaints, fearing social stigma surrounding the honey trap method. Do watch our next episode on the honey trapping cyber fraud, where we'll discuss a case handled by our firm as well as how to prevent yourself from being a victim of such frauds. So do subscribe and watch our upcoming episodes. For any further queries, contact us at query@legalhelpnri.com.